Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the project characteristics. So what are those characteristics? We shall discuss one by one in detail. So let us start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. So let us start, friend. Friend, the Project Management Institute PMI defines a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. The temporary nature of the project indicates a defined beginning and end. This is basically a project definition. Project is a great opportunity for organizations and individuals to achieve their business and non-business objectives more efficiently through implementing the change. Projects help us make desired change in an organized manner and with reduced probability of failure. Projects differ from other types of work, for example, process, tasks, procedures. Meanwhile, in the broadest sense of project is defined as a specific finite activity that produces an observable and measurable result under certain preset requirements. So, the characteristics of the project are, first of all, it has a start and finish. It has a start and finish. To be temporary, there must be a clear start and end date for the project, a point when the project commences and a point when it can be agreed to be done. In other words, the point when the project's objectives have been realized or the project is terminated because the objectives would not be achieved. So, in agile project management, this is expressed as the definition of done. Then it creates something new. It creates something new because projects result in unique deliverables. There is unlikely to be template or tested approach for completing the project. Once the project is complete, it wouldn't need to be repeated, at least not in the same way as any related deliverables will require a different approach. For example, multiple customers may require a software upgrade. Okay, elements of upgrading the software will be the same across projects, but the customer configuration, customizations and integrations will be different. Thus, each upgrade project deliverables will be unique. Software upgrades provide an interesting example of differences between the projects and the business as unit activities. As companies increasingly move to a SaaS or software as a SaaS model, upgrades are becoming predefined and repeatable. This means that many no longer require a project approach for delivery. This is similar to the updates to the operating system on a smartphone. The creation of the new version of the operating system will likely to be a project, but the rollout will be part of the business as unit, as the update is simply pushed to customer. Then the third one is it start with an idea. It starts with an idea which is turned into something. A project is simply a set of tasks which turn an idea into something. A deliverable that might be something you can hold, use or work with, or it might be something less tangible like a project to change behavior. At first, the details of the deliverables are vague. The project will start with a goal or a set of objectives, and the detail will be developed over the course of the project. Okay. So, basically every project start with an idea. Any project is never ever be similar to a business as usual or BAU. So, it is not a business as usual project, and delivering projects might be the business of a consulting company, but each project is unique. Business as unit activities or operations are repetitive. A person or process will follow a set of steps the same way to get the same result. Two classic examples are the process to pay staff each month and the paying of invoices. Some more examples are shown in the are mentioned below. For example, project examples. For example, new payroll system, new buildings or extensions, designing a new car, developing a new version of software. All these are the example of projects. Now, the business as usual examples are payroll processing each month for the employees, building maintenance, the car production line, supporting the new software version, answering supporting tickets, etc. So, all these are the example of BAU or business as usual examples. So, friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.